Lewis foundation bolt. So this is the actual diagram of Lewis foundation bolt. The diameter equal to 20 mm. So please see the procedure how to draw the Lewis foundation bolt. So draw center axis of the bolt. So in this procedure, so first of all you complete nut portion. So after completion of nut portion, so draw the bolt portion. So take a D dimension. So then D equal to 20 mm for nut. The bolt dia equal to 20 mm. So then this is the D by 2. So draw the D by 2 dimension. That means 20 by 2 equal to 10. So again draw the D by 2 dimension. So right side of the center axis. So draw height of nut. The height of nut equal to D. The symbol of height of nut equal to H. So take D dimension. We know that D equal to 20 mm. So draw vertical lines. So take 2D radius. So draw the arc like this. So this is the position of compass and draw arc. So this is the height of nut, H equal to D. So this is the D by 2. This one is D by 2 and the middle portion is D. So draw the remaining arcs also. So use a line bisecting method and complete these two arcs. already you know the procedure how to draw the arcs. So in previous videos I explained how to draw the arcs of the nut and bolt. So draw one vertical line. The height of that line is 0.5 into d. The height of this line is 0.5 into d. Then so the dimension between these two lines is 20 mm. So 20 mm means the dimension, sorry, diameter. So see the actual diagram on screen. So how to start the diagram? So that is also very important in machine drawing. So draw this arc. So take 2d radius and draw this arc. So this is a 0.5 into d. So d, we know that d equal to 20 mm. So then substitute in 0.5 into d formula and calculate the values. So that is the formula for core diameter, 0.8 into d. So draw the inner diameter also. That means core diameter also. So this is the core diameter lines. So take from here to here, so 2.5 into d distance, mark one point. So draw the horizontal line. From here to here is 2.5 into d. The dimension is 2.5 into d. So draw the washer also. Width of washer equal to, so please take 2d plus 4. So 2d plus 4 means 2 into 20, then 40, 40 plus 4, 44. So that, so take 22 mm right side of the center axis, and again take 22 mm, so left side of the center axis. So this is the thickness of washer, 0.4 into d, and draw the washer portion. 2D plus 4 mm. So project this portion from top to bottom like this. The dimension between these two lines is D. So D equal to 20 mm. So take 2 mm gap and draw this line and this line. So draw the co-diameter lines also. Portion also. So please take from that point to this point, so 10 into D dimension. So this is the rack bolt. So this is the complete height 10D. From that point to this point is 6 into D. So take 6 into D. So we know that D equal 20 mm. 6 into 20 equal to 120 mm. So this is the dimension D. So please take 2D diameter. Okay, so then D equal to 20 mm, so 2 into 40, sorry, 2 into 20 equal to 40. Okay, so please take 20 mm left side of the center axis and again take 20 mm right side of the center axis. So draw like this. So join from that point to this point. So after completion of this one, so draw like this. So draw vertical line. So hatching is required for that portion. So draw the hatching lines. So we know that for hatching lines use 45 degrees. So don't use a scale. So use only draft. This is the concrete portion. So draw the concrete portion also. So this is the complete procedure of rack foundation bolt.